So, James, you know that part. So you know that part, have you? Oh, the I'm not going to. So I give anybody the room I am not John. I'm going to for I see you. There we go. I greet you one number the level. And I can't tell the one that. It's been like finalized, so you get it. Oh, wait, get again. What if I need? I didn't tell you.
Ogini na-eme ha ogbomo ọbịa nnarụ deme o ọjadufu odike okorobịa nwaanyị na-egburu ọja na-akwụ aja mmụọ etachi obi gị ya ji arị ugwu ogene dị ife a ogene dị ife a ogene deme onwere dike n'ebe a nwekwa dike n'ebe a kelu chief of army staff olike eze chief ogbuefi gbanye ogbuefi deme ọ gịnị na-eme Oh, Ojadu Vodike. Ojadu Vodike. Oh, my boy, Biano, follow Biano. They are not one name. I'm going to go away to cow. As your magic. Isn't easy, I will know. Why you not keep your area? Why you not keep you? Why you not keep? What a man can do, a woman can do. About the winch, the witches are wizard, yet do a bar, but of power. Huh? Ojadu Vodike, Ojadu organic. Huh? Devil everyone in the water. Napotabo, take a fugi. Yes. I'm going to have I didn't come on here. How about you? What they go back to one and you quiet when you born ye go? I brought you a man. Yeah, 1 year ago. On 1 year baby. Oh, organic. They make. Natabazia.
All right, we are going to start without wasting much time. So I greet all of you on the comment section. I see the comments. I appreciate your time.
No.
I appreciate you for being here with us. This program is going to be very, very short because I promised us yesterday that I will record a video where I will combine what Udele said, and of course, I will combine that with the reality about the so-called video of Udele. Not Udele. Ikenguru Agu. So we are going to do the justice to that video in this live broadcast. Why must I bring this on a live program? I tried to record it. I noticed that it will end up being up to 50 minutes. If I continue, the way I wanted to do that, the video will be too long. That's okay. Let me just run a live broadcast on it and give time for people to contribute, those that may have chance to contribute, so that you can join me and do justice to this same news. So once again, I welcome you, and you know yourself, all of you in the comment section. Thank you for being here. We are not going to waste much time, but we'll try our best to manage the time we have. We are 10 minutes of the program, and we have the first person here is James. James, you are welcome. Although I have said my greetings to you before, but I have to do it again. And we have Ogwejo for one of us. My brother, you are welcome. James again, Mazekai, I greet you, sir. Then James said, indeed, like father, like son, two family. I hear you. Ogwejo for Soludo Obontu. Here again, he said they get bad mouths. I bet that's what they said, Ogwejo for. James again, honestly, they are not lying. James said he will get talent. Ewo, Biafra, come on. Bona Joko John. Good evening, sir. God bless you, sir. God bless my DPM and my PM. I am a citizen of United States of Biafra. Get used to Master Namodukan as well. Each time you put a comment like this, don't forget to put MNK. He's man of the hour. We need to accord him respect and, of course, appreciate him. No, there is. Abonifai, yeah, Abonifai. He said, good evening, Mazekai. Abonifai, I greet you. Good evening to you. Also blessed, one of us. My brother, I see you. He said, good evening from here, Mazekai, and to great Biafrans all over the world. So these are people that made a comment now, and we are 12 minutes of the program. I appreciate all of you for joining me this hour. So we are going to start without wasting much time. For you to hear, I want to tell you something. Okay, let's just establish a little background about this guy called okay. The Bible also. This guy called Chubuze In the past, he used to be a very, very vocal. He used to be a very, very vocal media personnel. Okay, in terms of Biafran IPOB per se. Then he joined the people. He joined a group. You know, the mass of number kind of absent. He started misbehaving, giving himself out for a take. I don't know if he started doing that maybe based on maybe people maybe somebody threatening him or somebody. I don't know what happened. All right. He started talking about Masamakana as if Masamakana doesn't mean anything. Some of us were kind of looking with one eyes. And Mazu Samanaba Biafran Prime Minister, he see him as somebody who is an obstacle. And I will tell you my own opinion and why I believe that I'm right on that. Then before we move forward, I have Kevin. Kevin is here with us. Kevin, I see you. Good evening, Master Kai report. There, Kevin. Nice to have you. We are very lucky to have Mr. Henry today. Very, 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 very honored to see you, sir. There, God bless you. I hope you are okay. It's been a while. I hope all is well with you. Go now. On a go so joy I greet you, sir. Oh my goodness! Many of you don't know Mr. Henry. Mr. Henry is not. In the word of PM, he's a big fish. I greet you, sir. We have Dorin. That is Donald. Donald, I see you. I want to say Dorin. It's not Dorin. Donald, I see you. Say, Kai, I greet you from here. I don't even read message from our brother, Mr. Henry. Mazi, good morning. You are doing great. Thank you so much. I'm honored to hear that from you. All right, let's continue. Like as I was saying, this man here sees PM as an obstacle because many of us don't know that one of the reasons why DOS, I learned something today, another word, which is for DOS is actually POS. And whoever that mentioned that you are very, very, you're a genius. This is a POS. Listen, PM is a man that have seen this. No, he's a very young guy. Don't get it twisted. But imana as na PM is highly blessed at his age. He was able to achieve some key things in life. Okay, he did not join for his name to be heard. He did not start talking about Biafra because he wanted to create another means of livelihood or create another stream of income. He joined because he understands that our people are clamoring for people like him. When he joined, those of them that are mounting flag beside them while talking, broadcasting to deceive many of us, started shivering because the presence of PM actually caused a lot of, send a lot of signal in the minds of fake agitators. Typical black people, how to solve this problem is they started seeking for a way to take him down, blackmailing him, talking down on him. That's why I said I called Masamakane a very huge respect because he's a man of his level that we managed what he managed. Because these guys they will come pretending that they're actually loyal to you, they're open to you, they understand everything, they want to work with you. You will think that actually means something good. But deep down their mind, they are doing these eye services for you to sleep just to peck you. So you sleep very well, they will not carry out the assignment. They were doing that to Masakan. Masakan was so intelligent. You know, he's a very, very intelligent man. He was so ready and very, very, you know, he was alert. So he was very, very open to understand the crooked movement these guys are doing. What did he do? He allowed them to showcase their skill, their criminal skill, their mindset, while he was busy working and planning on how to forge ahead. They wanted to blackmail PM before Masakano, so Masakano will now look down on him. Masakano was like, I know what I see. This man is actually for good. He did not let them to convince him or brainwash him where PM is. He managed to hang on. For people to understand that Masman Mekan is very, very intelligent, he went as far as telling people that this guy is doing a very good thing. He said the kind of word of appreciation, and that also triggered anger in the minds of these fake agitators. Chibuze Guatu is part of them. Then, after that, when Masman is not here, after he's kidnapped, this guy is one of the people that started attacking Sam Manepa publicly. Because one thing about him is that he would be in a group where they discuss on how to carry out negative assignments. Maybe there are 30 or 100 in numbers. This guy will be one of the voice. He will be the first to start dancing in that secret agreement they discussed. He will not hide it. He will come out publicly, begin to yap nonsense, begin to show you the mindset of people that are like him. Others may be quiet and trying to source for a way to pass their message and create and start causing, constituting nuisance. This guy will not hesitate. He will go out, he will just come out and begin to expose those secret things that they have discussed. He is a kind of somebody who is learning new dancing step. Okay, and because somebody is teaching you how to dance, you decide to use that dancing step to become your own style of walking, like your normal step. But this dancing step is meant for a special occasion. But because they have given you this dancing step, you decide to come out publicly, begin to use that as your own way of walking, and even anywhere you are going, you'll be dancing, thinking that you are walking. That is what this guy represents. Now, he started attacking PM. You remember the word dating in Finland? He's the one that started using that, calling PM dating in Finland. He was looking down on PM. He was ready to, talking down on him, saying all manner of things against him, making it look like he was making this look like PM is a nobody. He cannot achieve anything. He's not supposed to be listened to. He's an intruder. He's this. He's that. That was what he was trying to do. And some people bought into that and begin to use the word and begin to, hold him on a high esteem that, okay, it's true, this guy, because remember those days, they started by telling that this guy, PM, is not for Massamanakano. He actually wanted to overthrow Massamanakano. He was doing all those to overthrow Massamanakano. But PM hanged on without minding what they're saying. Now, when he tried that and did not work, he came out and started telling PM to stop, that he's doing too much, that he's not supposed to do what he's doing. PM must stop. He did not use the word PM. I'm the one using it that though. He said, Simon, I know if I think that you are not trying, know that I'm a fool. But you have to stop. You have to stop. I hope you remember that famous video. What is it?
Work accordingly. Do not be faster than your shadow. Do not follow the rubbish they're talking about.
Just a moment.
In my mouth to say that you are not doing well, that I'm a fool. But stop. 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 Simon, I'm warning you, stop. Stop. Work accordingly. faster than your shadow. Do not follow the rubbish they're talking about. If I can open my mouth to say that you're not doing well, then I'm a fool. But stop. 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 Simon, I'm warning you, stop. Stop. Work accordingly. Do not be faster than your shadow.
That was how the whole thing started. Like joke, like a dream. He did not just end there. He keep on pushing. He moved from this warning to blackmailing, propaganda, and they started plotting and planning on how to get him out. If you are not new, I believe you are aware of what happened to Dele. Before they forced Dele out, I believe you know the story of who actually responsible for making sure that Dele was deported. I'm not here to tell you about that because there's no need to go there. But those of you that are OG, I believe it shouldn't be a new thing to you. You know the story. Now, this guy, after the kidnapping of Master Morgano, he realized that DOS are not, there's no income. Remember, most of them hang on. Why you are crying that Master Morgano has been kidnapped? They were celebrating that truly he is not here. Because what that means is that before they can lay hands on some funds, they have to summon courage to steal it. But now they are not in a position to dictate how money will be moving, where the money, how much to pay them, and all that. They are the one to take the money by themselves. No need to take instruction from Master Morgano because he's not here. They gather together, planning on how they will reach themselves and all that. Then PM changed the whole system by starting autopilot and moved with with force. And the speed is not what you can like. That was when he was that was when he made this video that I just played, where he was telling PM stop. You just think about it. If I Ikenga open my mouth and tell you that you are not getting it right, that means I am a fool. But you have to stop. But you have to stop. Even though you are getting it right, but you have to stop. That statement alone should tell you who you are listening to. Now, when PM did not stop, they started planning and plotting, like I told you. Then, today, they have moved from that PM was stopped to Master Morgano. And why Master Morgano? They started attacking Master Morgano. They started calling his head when they asked him to separate, to open his mouth and condemn PM Samaneba. They forgot at the beginning, they claimed that that PM is just Ofekupu. Remember, he started calling him Datin in Finland. Why was he using the word Datin? Because to him, he's too small to mention his name. Like mentioning his name, he's not up to people that he can pronounce their name. That PM is too little, like he's a nobody for them to mention his name. That's how they regard him then. Then when they tried and push, they realized that if I they started sourcing for help, calling Mazoka to come and help us, condemn him so that people will not abandon him. Master Morgano said no. Reason why you will not blame Master Morgano is because Master Morgano already know who they are, and Master Morgano already know what PM stand for. Not only that he knew what PM stand for, he also know that these ones don't listen to him. They don't take his instruction. Are you aware? Have you forgotten the famous memo that PM Master Morgano sent to them to obey, instructing them to restore people that they sacked, like the one they called I don't know him, somebody who the guy was in charge of Italy. I think he's the coordinator, Italian coordinator. bring him back. And I think German coordinator as well. They refused. They planted their own. That is when I think that is where how they brought KK and all that. Now, this guy did not take it lightly. The Master refused to condemn PM Sam, but he did not take it lightly. He was very, very angry and very, very bitter about it. Because of that, to him, any crime that PM commits, according to them, because they tied everything on him, Master also is a partaker. That is how he started. In one of his videos, because he made a lot of video, he said this.
Fella see self ne ya ho and kerisa nwa fella juwese ne ya ho ofuo nyushi jese na mpia nwolo like this thing nwa fella thing.
This video you are listening to now is one of his videos then, and when they were expecting Masakano to come out publicly and begin to condemn PM and begin to label PM like what the US have been leveling on him, they want Masakano to do everything possible to condemn PM publicly. Okay? The same thing that some people...
the Onyoshi is working with him. He is...
Hold on. The same thing that some people in Brigi, okay, went to Finland demanding that PM should give them green light to drag USB to court. You know, when I tell you that those of us that are confused or you are struggling to understand what is happening, it's because you have not been keeping record. If you keep record, you know that what is going on and is the repetition of what has happened before. They are just recycling it again and again and again because the criminal mindset of these people cannot be eradicated overnight. It will take time. But consistency is the key. If you can open your eyes and be, what is going on now? Now, today's date is 6th of May, 2026. If you can memorize what happened today, tomorrow, if anybody present the same thing again, you now reflect it to what happened on 6th of May, 2026. You will not connect the dot and know what the answer will be. But the moment you feel like, that thing, I beg, concern me, they can convince you and push you to begin to reason like them. But if you can keep this memory with you, it will go a long way to help you. The same way, they were pushing Masakano, begging through the lawyers for Masakano to see reason why he need to condemn PM. This video is one of the things he did then, trying to let Masakano know what they are going through. We are suffering. We are going through a lot. The same people who told the Masakano Biafra Prime Minister is a thing. But when they notice that they actually need Mas Namonikano to help them to push him away. Unfortunately to them, Mas Namonikano did not listen to that nonsense. Because they want to drag him to gangsterism level. And Mas Namonikano refused to fall to that level. Instead of them to accept their defeat, they started looking for head to cut off. Hear him.
Including you, Onyoshi, because he believed that the criminal is working with you.
In case if you don't know what he's saying here, that Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, insulted Shehu Kuti. He don't want to tell you the story of what happened though. He said that Shehu Kuti bypassed Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, and started talking down on you, Master Monikano. That he wouldn't have done that, but he did it because he believed that he's working with you. Why is he saying that? For Master Monikano to see reason why he needs to come back on PM and condemn PM publicly. But the intention is not the intention. The mother of the story is not about what Shehu said. Remember, they have been looking for a way to push PM away from Master Monikano and for Master Monikano to distance himself from PM Samonepa, so that automatically that we would have elevated DOS to where they used to be. That was the reason why they are doing what they did. Not because they love Mazamonakan or that they actually care that Shehu Kuti is insulting Mazamonakan. Because if truly they care, that that Shekuti insulted Masamakan, they should have responded to Shekuti. But they refused to respond to Shekuti. What did they do? They started saying, okay, Masamakan, you see, he's insulting you. Why can't you come down and defend and let the people, the world know that this guy that you are having an issue with has nothing to do with me? Okay? Now, they have insulted Masamakan more than Shekuti. In fact, Shekuti look more honorable now than them. What does that tell you? That they have been, when they were looking for Masamakan to help them, they were actually lying, pretending that they love Masamakan, whereas they don't love him. You understand? Now, let's listen to him again. What I'm doing now is, after this, we are going to go to the main topic. Okay, the topic is about the lie he told recently about the guy that killed in Anambra State. Because that is why I started by playing people that are protesting. In case you're not aware of that protest, the women that are protesting in Anambra State, they were agitating against the killing of a guy called Akede. And that Akede, this guy rushed out and gave a very wrong, fake, deceptive statement just to make it look like the guy is a problem, not the people that killed him. Imagine lying against the dead. That is in the Igbo one. In Igbo culture, you don't do that. You don't lie against the dead. Typical Igbo man will never lie against the dead. Somebody will go out. We don't do that. That's why I say, even Bible condemned attack on a widow. Well, because why in the world city? In again, that kind of thing, or an orphan. You know what I mean? There's consequences to those things. And Igbo culture, observe those things. They know. That's why when Maskan said that the Igbos are the ancient, before God and man, I believe it. I believe that we are the oldest. I don't know about you. I'm not bragging, I'm just telling you what I feel. Because most of our cultures hid that thing that actually make humanity. When you talk about, sometimes when we discuss about our cultures, people don't understand. Some people think that you are bragging because you are Igbo. No. If you come down and ask some questions, you know that most of the things that prolong humanity, like make people to live long, is observed in our culture. The problem is that how many of us are taking cognizance of that? How many of us are actually obeying those things? When a grown-up man begins to attack the dead, their kid is dead, and this guy rushes out on his camera, begin to lie on that guy. Just because you want to carry out an assignment. Anyways, it is good for you to observe, if you have a sibling that is living this kind of life, the only help the person have is you, that is actually the brother or the sister. It's your duty to call him back, to start reasoning like a human being, because sometimes you may think because of nothing will happen after I'm a Ikorobia. Or young people. Most of these young people dying and all this is most of those things comes from the life your lifestyle. If you can keep your hands clean, avoid what you're supposed to avoid. You don't need to be in a crusade 24 hours, because the church you are going every night and then is actually to teach you how to live, how to be decent. That's the primary purpose of it. Not how long you visit church or how long you spend in church, but how many these rules and regulations they're giving in the church. How many of them can you be to church and say, yeah, I am observing this one? In Igbo culture, the issue of circumcision is there. Reincarnation, the issue of circumcision, of course, and distancing yourself from wine, ordinancy, and all those things. If you check Old Testament, you will see most of those things. Why am I saying this? A youth, not justify the debt. It's na Nagade level. Let us trend with caution.
That's why shame will not even allow us to attack Mwafela. Because all the elements that goes to his platform, they have your pictures. And the Mwafela still argue that if this boy criminal chihuahua that is in Finland, if he's not working with you, why is it that you are not bold enough to tell the world that he's not working for you?
You see, he's trying to outsmart Mas Namadukan. All he wanted is just use your mouth and say he's not working for you. That's all. The Mas Namadukan is one buying people in Osumo. This is where he started. Why can't you distance yourself from Mas Namadukan? Even though deep down their mind, they know that PM is not the one doing all this they're saying. That's why when they see any report about Fulani, they will close their eyes and close their mind, close their mouth. They can never report it, because reporting it will make people to start questioning the one they are reporting all this while. You see? Mommy might say this is for it's not for Mas Namadukan alone. But the thing is that we ask for quality for equally or the Mas Namadukan have tried. We know that. But what they're trying to do is because they know that the Igbos, the trust, the love is there. The reason why they attack Mas Namadukan, they're trying to reduce that love and that support that Mas Namadukan has. And they're using Mas Namadukan's wife to accomplish it. In fact, that may be a story for another day. Let me focus on this topic, because if you begin to go talk about it, this topic is very, very vast. But I will try my best to maintain my lane, not to deviate from what I'm saying. Pay attention.
Will you allow this to happen? Will you allow this to happen? We have suffered though.
Now listen, this is time is after trying to give reasons, dragging external body, trying to give reason for Mas Namadukan to know why he need to disarm himself. Here, he's literally begging Mas Namadukan to do that. And I want you to listen to him and hear what he said.
If you picture Mazi Chike, there's oh Bukwana, Okagonka. Onye ndu nena obele nwa deka ma phone mata na white. Obele nwa deka nena phone mata na white. Isim ni na wawo. Onye ndu obroko penti kantel. Okwe echiche. Na kerifa ye made to clear ourselves from this name calling. Nobody believe us. Onyendu, all the permanent people in our place, they have disassociated themselves from us. Because he be fasten na ime ebu mado. Onyendu ogewa Daniel Simon said it can be you now. It can be you. You will not say this and do this. Onyendu, if it's not you now, answer the question and save us from this shame. Save us, Nifel and Emesm. I can't even be bold enough to challenge our challengers. I can't even be bold enough to challenge those who are challenging us. People have some obunonya isi other in support of Ndine woman. Why no puho? Onye ndu hakuo yifele mebem. Hakuo yifele mebem. Nde mego mihe. Nde mega ihe. Nano our leaders. Nano ndi niile the young kepu akata na nka. Taho. Ndi niile di ma ndi buo gbo afọ mgbe epụrụ kepa anu afọ hapana. The pressure is too much. You will save us from the shame. Save us. Save us from this shame.
Now, Biafra, they are calling us name. The shame and everything is the same thing that he's now doing with joy. He's doing that with joy. No longer shame now. He's now, in fact, he's now more louder than those people that are calling them names and all that. So the military had the right to shoot our youth and buy our people useless man. Mommy Moga, you know, I wish you good health. I wish you long life and good health. The reason why Master Kanu did not distance himself from Master Samonapa because he knew the truth. He knows what is going on. He understands that this is just a mere blackmailers. They know, he know that these people cannot do without lying. Once you are against them from making to gather their profit, they will label everything on you. And this guy wants to use Master Kanu to achieve that simple that. He want to use Master Kanu to achieve that simple act because it is difficult for them to do it alone. They needed help, and the help they need is Master Kanu. That is how desperate. The same Master Kanu that you don't respect, all the instruction that he gave to you, just put aside of giving Master Kanu a slot. There are other command, other order from Master Kanu they refuse to obey. They use the same Master Kanu name that he stopped it at home. Oh, he said you guys stop it at home. They use that. Master Kanu allowed that. He did not utter anything. He just kept quiet, maintain his stand. Why I'm telling you this is because not only are kidding that they are talking down and blackmailing even after his death. They are demanding for Master Kanu's head. What did he do? The offense of Master Kanu is because he refused to distance himself from Samrepa, just like they wanted it. But how can Master Kanu distance himself from PM Samrepa, knowing for a fact that the man did not do anything that you guys are labeling against him? They then chose to work with those that are calling them names. When you listen to Ike Guru Ago and you listen to Keshosu, you see that they are speaking two different things. They sound like they are saying the same thing, but when you listen very, very carefully, you understand that these people they are saying different things. And I will tell you what I mean by that. Ike Keshosu and Udele believe that Master Kanu from day one, this one believe that so far Master Kanu refused to distance himself, that not the Bugo too. He believed that Master Kanu is working with Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister. He believed that whoever that Ebubago buy is Master Kanu. Why? Because he want to pay Master Kanu. He want to prove to Master Kanu that since you don't want to give this one, I will blackmail you. I don't care about you. If truly you love him, okay, since day one, you will not do that. You will just know when you're supposed what to do and how to go about it. But it can only it takes somebody that is highly principled, someone that is very highly disciplined. Okay, if you are not disciplined, you will not be able to live that kind of lifestyle because it requires calmness and understanding to know when to do this and when not to do that. How can you claim that you need you are sanitizing Igbo land, but you are at the same time committing crime? You say Biafra na buy. Now, is it Biafra na buy? Biafra? And who is this in the buy and Kudokova? A Nigerian soldier. Bombara second and they wouldn't have found a buy. I'm more organized that you return to Biafra army. I'm more Mogi, full and kidnappers, you return in the buy. To the extent that work again on Kenasa Norta, Jovika, is also that one shocked me. Because even Ukenga is not a minister of God, he's not a minister. But you, as a Okochuku or a priest, you should know better. Even if you are not afraid of anybody, why can't you just be afraid of God? Now, hear this story from Udele. Let me take it back from beginning. Just a moment.
And the pictures of
start from beginning.
And the biotenemon afambo ikenguluago inanya here. A full picture here. afa onye anu abo akede. Obone ga on social media phone and
Ocean Monster, I greet you, my
and the
brother. You're
pictures of
welcome.
akede na a trend.
Testimony,
Them
I see
man do a
testimony.
whole lot of things. Na Anambra security bully allegedly, but oboro what happened.
Audience invest, I greet you.
Before we go on what happened, actually may say, may the soul of our brother rest in peace. Man, another thing in Chikubuna, if Obuni in a man or what, one or war. If Obuni no what, one or war. Now, before I tell you what happened, actually, no matter, nda accused, no how aburu. This our brother, both professionals.
Now, ask this guy, professionals on what? I think I have analyzed this video, but because of the the people from the other side, because there's always two sides of the story, right? This is the first side from Nwayo Neba. The second one is from the people that lost their loved one. You have to hear, and the general public. That's another thing. And the general public, they step into the issue and begin to talk about it. One of the after Lai Mohammed in entire Nigeria, this guy maybe this guy may be topping Lai Mohammed now. No, I'm just saying between this Ikenga and Lai Mohammed, I don't know who is holding the flag now, because last time I checked, Lai Mohammed is at least. He can lie. The man can tell you that the morning, even in the morning time is afternoon, and he will be saying that with boldness at his age. The same thing applicable to this guy. He can lie, but why this one is very, very unique, because it has to do with somebody's life. Okay, although most of those ones also has to do with somebody's life, but thank God that this one happened before every other people. Listen.
Antidote in the Sasa.
In this SARS, can any kingdoms is done this Sasa? In case if you are not aware, this SARS can have any kingdom go to Sasa. If
I go set of professionals where different styles and strategy on how they work. They are not just ordinary people. They anti-tout. Now, this Akedi not here. Oh, wherever Hanano, number worker, but bunk. Eba he had a lady place, but drugs, all kinds of drugs. So, mgbe anti-tout intelligence discover now some criminals they take off from that place. They will put to spy to know what is going on there. I want you to follow me. They will put to spy one of their officers to know what is going on in that camp, in that bunk. So, Emana, only jello undercover investigation. You know there, you have to smoke with them. You have to also buy from them. Where the intelligent officer lieutenant at the bunk, the maintain Ocho Adoro there. Owetel, Agwana tell the Ifenabia, as in that the drugs, not the way. Immediately, Ebubata, Ifocho, the intelligent officer, were poor, either or the backup team, they were unable to go the drugs. This guy, Anabakedi, will raise the alarm. Raise the alarm. Now this guy in a meko. However, Russia the guy. Koba the guy here. Ama. But eji akọ Igbo. However, the guy was also. And Malamana na the guy emego call. Other officers knows it on their way to the bunk. Even one drugs. If a message the intelligent officer will also this Akedi will follow him when my the guy went nalo akerima na self defense when my on our back. Or whether anything like gun wound and actual other private investigators, the police, or anybody that can't investigate.
Now, pay attention to this. I will take it back a little bit. I wanted to hear, because he started by telling you that now this guy got him a call. Akid raised the alarm. When Akid raised the alarm, they now rush Gakwa the guy even. In the same line of the sentence, was Akid was the also. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. The first one is that the guy was making call. Akid raised an alarm. Then, for our Buzi, that's the other boys. Now, beat the guy down. We mad the guy him. Or the guy told that said, okay, or why no back. Now, Kid, she was the guy also which is here with my Pay attention, please. I don't want to be the only one to that hear this part.
The guy went nalo. Akerima.
No.
If a message the intelligence officer will person this Akedi will follow him where my the guy went nalo.
No, that's not the part. Pay attention. Let me go back a little bit.
This guy and Akedi will raise the alarm.
Where is the alarm?
Raise the alarm. Now this guy in the meko. How will rush the guy?
Now hold on. How we rush the guy? We call the guy if make it.
The guy here.
Okay. Okay.
How will ma the guy?
How rush we ma the guy? How rush the guy? We how means group of them. We ma yam. That we get.
Also.
The guy we was also.
And Malama the guy may go call. Other officers knows on their way to the bunk. Even one drugs. If a message the intelligence officer will person this Akedi will follow him.
So Amagiyama, this Akedi will follow why?
Well, my
okay, yeah, I'm boss then.
The guy went nalo. Akerima. Now self defense. Well, my Akedi.
Now, Omebo self defense and Nampo. Obugolo man group of people Mariama or survive where we also. We go straight them up. If over as Akedi and maybe anything at all. This story get as it be. They go going.
On our back. Or whether anything like gun wound and actual other private investigators, the police, or anybody that can't investigate. Kaganene, Kakedi, and we're gun wound. Or and in the Sasa, empty out, and a regiment. And the Nako Akedi, or when he hear the gun wound. Eja kotibo.
Ndi family hapa takuko na neba baliebe na apatana na side labs ya. Abaliebe apatana for side ike. Abaliebe. The family members has confirmed that. They have confirmed that. Na ko again.
The officer. Now self defense officer when alama. Well man Akedi does it. On the process. They just rescue the officer looted. Others none at the bunk. Boso. They were blue, if any enough for them, including their drugs, motorcycle, and other items I may not mention. Now, how was there actually there? Because of how dangerous that place can be. How what will happen? But
now I'm the one once. Man, officer Amala 2 times. Survival. And the officer Amarama 2 times was able to overpower Akeda Nama by anything at all. You know what? And remember, Oga Akeda Chuali also, and also constant still. I told this Akeda Wetri also. Just how is it possible? People, somebody no matter what political will was able to overpower them after Kamaga and able now. Okuneba also. Then the only person that was able to pursue him, because of Western forget it. Also, Sakeda actually also. You know, twice on na book. No one that came and sit there not like Muhammad. Like I said, like Muhammad, I don't know between this guy and like Muhammad, who is more, decent. When it comes to Eastern area, you talk about investigation. What about the killing in the Middle Belt and North? Or once again, they can just not pick on you. You see, that is not the fact. They don't talk about it. They can, okay, even you can not what happened in North does not concern us. Investigation guy name investigative journalist now. You build spider that can only capture Igbo youth to eliminate them. I want to say that now. Most of these people, in my title, I asked him that the lies of jihadist enablers in Biafra land and hidden agenda exposed. This is how they roll. Because if I never get up just to capable take jihadism, only for us. In them, I want to teach myself a lesson. Typical Igbo saboteur. All those are, they don't think, always think direct. You don't bother to check left and right. Nah, Chineke on mad.
To me, so we got the operation. How we see Bulgudu Academy, Bujabia Hospital, but you will not blame them because that place they too dangerous. And we can try to rescue Academy, and we can mad them and borrow the airway. Or that catch when they're getting.
And the fact is, they can't labor for now. We can respond with their own neighbor. Fact is, lost one of their loved ones, somebody neighbor. For about who full bullet, we have no way with it. Man, if I will how we get time Igbo mouth. Because according to video you go to go by now, it will get Sunday in a bottle of 50 to which I doubt. It will go the bandit him by this. Say I get on around a blue GV match from local. When you get an art, camera rolling action. And a me if I have evidence of the officer, a injury. You might hold an injury of anybody. With the bandit, fear mother, this fear local. We are just blue GV na iodine. Hear the person now. Say that no, if no, we not sustain injury. Now we do to academic men. Go if I make.
The officer happens here. Akedi. Makana Akedi to find out. The officer. Na hospital bed. Can you see?
Officer and Kadik even go 50 years or 50 something years. Again, I will kai. Oh yeah, boy.
Another video of officer Obarajuli so Mangosie Manehabo Gent don't legal on it.
Yeah, onye nwa ọrụ anyị ebe anyị ji operation na mgbapụ n'ime mgbapụ somebody attack ya were taka nwekata ya arụ nwa ya isi ya niile blood everywhere ọ nwụrụ a wee makwari ya nwa makwari ya ebe anyị ji eje ife ndị drug all one of our personnel here.
Now the personal report na the video see somebody wee maa ya ọsọkwa ga Akedi mana Ikenga wụrụ Akedi makwueda maka na Akedi awụgo ịghọta ife ga-ada na the video suppose able video pass the message to Ikenga because Ikenga anọrọ there. According to voice message that with the video, I said that now somebody will mama kasị everywhere which man of eziokwu o ike like ife ngwa we give depend the film by the maybe video take that na no sustain injury what if he ga akọ ị na-aghọta I may run go treatment na go treatment. Begin to where now no if you mean an edge bandage we not get a treatment. A message that nice the period has done now I know we are. and the other come on Anambra. So Ludo told Annabelas, they have a hospital. Now, I think it was 7 because not how many people. How many pregnant women just delivered new baby? Now they came in operation. That they don't know the opening of the hospital. And the man Buzi come and chat next day. Open a hospital, the locked up. No one can move patient on the hospital. In Afiana. So we go na regime with salute now this regime, yeah. They will now catch us everywhere, this major operation. I can just carry out at the hospital. Email operation today. Tomorrow was come a patient not at the hospital. That operation must be special one. It must be special operation. Because people went back tomorrow to interview the patient now. Upon that the hospital, the Maniluman has come out pigeon around the vicinity in Awata. So that kind of thing look possible in Anambra. Because
hospital. Nka bo drugs ebukota na the place.
Somebody said, Kai, let me respond to you. As a person like great you, Joshua, greetings to you, my brother. Director General said, Kai, why do you block my comments last time? Then you have to read to us what did you say in the comments? Because for that your comment to be blocked, it simply means that our moderators are not pleased with that. So it depends on what you said, my brother. I did not block you though, but for somebody to block you, it simply means that your comment may have something that is not pleased at all. So since you decide to bring it up, do you mind to tell us the content of that your comment? What did you say in your comment that push people to block it? Tell us. We are here to listen to you.
Loud. Ghana loud. Nah, Ghana loud. Look on that. Ghana loud. Eyes.
So this thing is no longer new. It's no longer new in Nigeria. To bring up, sometimes they'll bring dead gun and put beside anybody to give fake statements. There's a video that I published yesterday. A young lady that they captured somewhere in Delta State and forced the lady to claim that they are doing a shower work. Okay, they beat them well. If you go to DPM X handle, you will see picture of that lady, and the lady is highly bitter about the treatment that they gave to her. So it is not anything. It doesn't move anybody. Who would believe this kind of thing? It is difficult to believe. Sometimes they even force you to testify live on camera that you are the one that committed crime and all that. Whereas you did not commit anything, because if you don't do that, they will buy you. All right, so that is it. So somebody decided to respond to Udele. Before we move to the family of Akede, let's hear from this guy. Wait.
Beg our people. Now, this social media era, people should be very careful.
Forget about it. Let's hear this.
Because of Ngoma Kanji Igbo when they made this video, Ikenga Uruagu ekwuru that na ọ na-abụ akwụ ọgwụ ụgwọ ịpụta ị na-aka akụkọ abụrụ eziokwu in order to tarnish the images of Igbos. Mana kwefu this guy nwụrụ na Anambra State, nwụrụ na Mgbakwoka, nke a ka ji wee kpote na eziokwu. Isi na this guy wo ihe ọ na-eme bụ na ebe ọ na-anọ ka ndị oshi shi take off. Abi ebe ọ na-anọ ka ndị ori ji take off. O ji wee buru ụzọ wee nụsaba ndị udo ga-achị ọgụ. Wee buru mma wee maa ndị udo ga-achị. Onye udo ga-achị wee nalị ya mma wee maa ya. Ikenga Uruagụ ka m gwa gị eziokwu, isi this time around ihe niile ị na-eme dọndasasị niile ị na-asịcha na otu ọbụla esi ezi gị je na-agba amasị gbagide ndị Igbo. Akwefu this time around nke gbasara this boy na this Akili egwu na Mgbakwo ka m gwa gị eziokwu ebe a ka ijechere ije ọfọgụ na because me I will make sure say na ndị nwe that ndị nwe that boy ga-atụgha alụsị ụzọ asaa so that next time ọ bụrụ na ị mara ihe kwu ebu eziokwu ikwuo because of ngụ maka njiji Igbo wee na-eme this video. You understand? Your own adigo too much because a na-achọ ka e wetara this boy justice ka mama governor for Anambra State aya compensate the illegal killing of this boy. He put on social media because of akwano ike buru agụ ihe ove mgbakwu ga-egbu gị ike buru agụ asị gị na ove ndị be ebe ga-egbu gị. You never see anything. See, let me tell you, all these things that you are, all this word in there rubbish, you see me answer you. When I see your video, I pass. Do you understand? But you see this time around, I don't see Zasa. Can they be where this boy here toge? Come on, know the fool and you know the bandit.
That is it. I'm looking for the full video of this lady because she said it the way it is. If you are pleased with this kind of people, with this kind of lies, because the message or their lie is not against you, or the message is not actually, directed to you, you think it is normal. Don't worry, one day it will hit you. All this while he has been making video insulting Masamukano, Biafran people, and you guys are like what she said, that she just jump and pass all his video. You don't jump and pass when you know the truth. Say it way because you don't know who you don't know who will watch your video and grab something from it. How can you jump and pass today? Because you now want to talk. I went to the platform. I saw he made a video, not a video, a post, talking down on P2B. Guess what? All the obedient are there insulting him. Oh, now I know that you're a fool. Oh, I used to think that you're a man. I used to think that you are sensible. Oh, now I know that you are not sensible. Yeah. Oh, now you know that it's typical black people. That's the difference between us and white. A white man will even think that it doesn't concern him. As long as that thing is not the truth, he will voice out. Look at what do you think that mankind will start to gain with what he's doing today? Some may say he's working with foreign countries, they are doing this, he do this, I do that. He can gain that without saying what he's saying. That's one thing you need to understand. He can. Some of you think that he's saying this, he want Nigeria to bribe him. If you truly want Nigeria to bribe him, he may not come out and begin to talk like that. He does many other things he can do as a white man that Nigerian government would have no other choice than to beg him, please accept this portfolio. But now he's voicing out, and people will be like, "Oh, you do they do." Anywhere you see evil, condemn it. Anywhere you see evil, condemn it. Otherwise, after that evil must have finished with that person, next person in line could be you. It's a very important lesson that we need to start doing something about it. Don't just turn blind eyes when things is going wrong somewhere, because that is not affecting you. You don't want to talk about it, or you don't want to help the people to stop it. By the time that it must have finished with that person, you may be the next. Now, one of our brother went to the family of that Akede to hear from him. Yesterday I played it, but did not play it to the end. Okay, and hear that video now.
Ụtụtụ ọma ehihie ọma na aṅasị ọma ebe ọ bụla na-asọtụ ụwa niile gbaa gburugburu. Tata bụ 3rd of May ka anyị bịara na the affected family na Mgbakwu Ọka, ebe ndị Sasa, the same Sasa anyị na-anya na Anambra State, ebe ndị Sasa gburu mmadụ unjustly ka anyị nọ ihe. Maka na so many of you have got so many news flying up and down. Mana as usual, Igbo youth movement, anya blonde nege n'ọnụ mmadụ. We go and we investigate before we act. Now, aga m eme introduce to the family so that go know from the horse's mouth. They won't. Stay the camera.
Afa mba Amakichi. Afa mba Amakike. Ọmụ abụ mamụ ya. Abịa bụ Chinyeaka Miracle Ike. Eji akịdị ya mmanụ.
All right. Unu kọwara anyị ihe mere, how everything happens. No.
Afambo Mr. Michael Obidiwe, abum uncle to Chinyeaka Eji akịdị ya mmanụ. This incident happened on 30th of April 2026, being a Thursday. That is a problem here for us. Because the news buna kid will ebe ọ na-ele building material and the car wash. And ebe aka ebe a nọ wee mee. Before the news bịazịa to us, I put up on a carry and woman. Problem enwe bụ na asị na those sasa people biwe bịa there, getting to the place. Akede na his boy no there agbawa ọsọ because otu eji puo other people. Also aka agbazi mgbapụta from the other side of the road. Ọ bụ na we club go there to see where the thing happened exactly. Mmadụ kwụ onye iwe n'isi. Order on the process a na-eme iwe ahụ. Mma ka ebu ụzọ mụ ya. Otie dị mkpu. Amali ama n'akụkụ afọ ebe a. Otie mkpu. Mgbe ahụ o tiziri achụ ya ọgbaba ọsọ gbakpuo na nke his uncle. Bụkwa the family, the same family here. Gbakpuo n'ime dia. Ime dia ka ọ gbakpuzi. Achụli abata dia. Dia ka anọ agba anya dati egbe. Agbali egbe between his laps and between here. Another one n'ike here. And before Oga Bachasli at the thing, they left him there. And Oga Mmeziwa, one of his cousin brother, Bubewe Biwa Papia went the house. The guy is a student at one school. The guy is now Oga na Jizaya Neme. Mwa actually we don't judge the thing Oga and on here. He was also admitted in the hospital. So laundry. Nke laundry. Na dakwa ọ nọ na shop ya there na alụ ọrụ. They also hit the guy. Otu e wutezila anyị nke rie nne nka na afụ nno n'ụwa. Ebe ịbịala mkpụrụ mmadụ gbagbuzi onye ahụ agbawa onye ahụ ebe gbagbuo onye ma o jiri mma ma o jiri egbe. Ọwa adịn group gbuo onye ahụ wuti atụ. That's the thing na na-aga nchọ ka nkọwa anya ọ na-agụ m akwa. Mọrọ nka jiga na-ekwu o ibe mwute ifanya mmiri ka ọ bụdolo nyela anyị. And this guy is the breadwinner of the family. Look at his wife. On 24th of this May, we make 1 year he got married to this young girl. We are all went for the marriage. So today now, Akede is somebody. I na ga afọ. So be when we tell you nyala.
Okay, and what anything government there at all since then?
We are still on it, and at least the Anambra State Security Chair, their chairman, Sir Ken Emakai,
Okay,
now try his best, and also with the deputy governor. I never forgot one of one.
Okay, Igbo. Because there are so many news flying online. Before that, that's the reason why we are here. From the family. Now, what we are saying is just simple. The government of Anambra State, this young man, because we cannot permit such in Anambra State. I know about the government of Anambra State. let them not relax on it, or less cultural problem. Obruna Sasa, because now, yesterday being 2nd of May, the same Sasa caused a terrible accident at Opiweka. We went to at least confront them. The police said no. Robert Biko, the commissioner of police, and Abachi Nketi. The same Sasa cannot complain number Walker, wherever, lifelessly, Bobu Mad. They are not even permitted to use gun. Every has to whatever Kaina. We are pleading to the government of Anambra State. We, the Igbo youths, are pleading to them to quickly react, or else I don't know why you take a law into our hands. Because as it stands now, above knife for Sasa, you have SB, we will confront them.
All right, that is the message from this young guy. The thing is that, please, you have heard from Weekend Guru Agu, and you can see the message from the family. From the family. If truly the guy is a criminal, there's no way people will gather to protest. All right, that is people that protesting in Anambra State about that. And DPM have already made reaction to this incident, and let's see what she said about it. Okay, this is from office of DPM Dr. Orabeze. She made this press release, I think 2 days ago on 4th. She said press release May 4th, 2026, Biafra citizens march told Charles Oludo and Nigerians to leave the 40th state of Biafra. United States of Biafra citizens march and demand the exit of Nigerian terrorist states. Legitimized governors and integrated terrorists recruited into Nigerian army and police Operation Udogachi from Biafran 40 states. United States of Biafra is a sovereign nation, and Nigeria is currently forcefully occupying a sovereign land. Nigeria must leave the 40th state of Biafra, DPM, Dr. Orabeze. So this is the video. Now, somebody that made this post says, we are angry. Government of CC, that's Chukwumacha Soludo, is killing us. Igbo women sing as they demand an end to Udogachi brutality in Mbaku Oka North, Anambra State. This is what a young, senseless human being that lives somewhere will be deceiving Ndibu. You see how he narrated the story. So use that to compare other videos from him. Use that. Anyway, I hope that what this lady said will happen. Please, we are going to end it here because, like I told you, I'm not going to waste much time on this. The reason why I did not upload it because it's quite long. So I said, okay, let me just run a live program on that. If you have something to say about what we discussed so far, the link will be on the comment section in a short while. Just please follow the link and join me here. Let's hear from you before I wind down, because sometimes you may have something to say based on what we discussed so far. This is a continuation of what you did yesterday, to be honest. So if you have something to say about it or not, if there's not, it's also good. JJ, I see you, JJ. You're welcome. I see you. The Nigerian terrorist government is using this SARS with politicians to cause war, trying to know what the USB government will do, knowing fully well we are on we not if we were not if we were we on waiting for. I think we are waiting for our recognition. You are right. If this Akede is a criminal, such protest will not hold. That's what I said, my brother. Thank you so much for saying that, because there's no way people will just wake up to protest against. No, now, come on. Anyway, the guy did not even look at his picture now. How can you say that this guy is a criminal? This guy,
Don't report.
look at the guy here. How can you say that this guy is a criminal? Does he look like one? Or somebody for kana shawa or one atogoroto? Kibana koyan like that. Message this woman, message this young lady widow now. Nah. Anyway, we have Ocean Master in the house. Let's hear from you, my brother. Ocean Master, are you there?
Some minutes to come. Just 3 minutes.
All right. So you cannot just say that this guy is just that he's a criminal when you know that you don't have anything against him. Everything is just speculation. Oh, not the guy he looked like. Now they went back to their camp and brought out all the things that they're smoking. So they're showcasing that, oh, this is what they're doing, this is what they people can lie just to justify the killing. Ojubo Oji Margaret, what did you say? I am sorry for people that believe all this rubbish coming out of this monkey mouth called the Kenga. I'm telling you, my dear, you're spot on. The guy can lie for a living. I said as well as I agree to declaration of USB, what are the Nigerian soldiers still doing in Biafra land till date? Killing Biafrans without anyone stopping them. Does it mean USB is not well declared or what? Okay, this you can see that your message is irritating. Please, Margaret, don't block him. Let me understand his problem. I don't know if they have blocked you already. I'm just saying, because let me confirm, because I'm just seeing your comment now. I did not see it on time. I said it is. It has been blocked. So I'm sorry, my dad. I did not see it on time. I wanted to give you time to hear what you are trying to say. The thing is not about it's not as if it's not that USB is not well declared. Okay, even though you are trying to, because your statement, your comment is insulting. I will tell you for that. I will tell you for free. Is insulting. You cannot just use that kind of word. If you think that it's not well declared, then are you going to declare it again, or can you tell us how USB government should have been declared? What is a better way to declare it? Maybe if you have the answer, and at Tarambara, you can go on and declare your own. But the thing is that it's not about it. Come on, everything with time. There is time for everything. I am sorry that you have been blocked, because I would have loved to know why you said that. Okay? But since you cannot comment now, you have been already sent to factory setting. Mbedoma from here, Mazaka report news, and to all genuine hardcores Biafrans in the house. That is Estabano. Estabano, you're welcome. Lai Mohammed is better than Ikenga. Lai Mohammed was protecting his people, but Ikenga is against his own people. Kevin, my brother, your brain is at work. What you just said now has proven that truly you can't compare. You can't compare. Then that is why do you block my comment? He said, Kai, why do you? Okay. I have answered you. And I don't know if you can still comment. Maybe I think he said it is insulting. That is why. Of course, you have every right to block it. I'm not saying I don't regret that you block it, but I wanted to be nice to him to know why, because he was complaining that last time he made the same comment and he got blocked. So I was one that said, okay, can you put the same comment again? Let me see what you said, because I did not block you. So putting it back is what he did, not that he want to say it again. So that's why that's why I said that to him. I am sorry. But this comment, that your comment, sounds, to me, it looks suspicious. And you yourself, you people should understand something. Do not expect US government to do everything when you yourself and thousands of people like you are not actually supporting US government. They are just stagnant, even though the water is coming to their neck already. They are not doing anything. Somebody that lives in Europe and the person want to apply for ID card. He went to Genkere to apply for that ID card. Then when he used that ID card to seek for asylum, he was rejected. Then when he was rejected and the plan was to deport him, he realized there's a group called the US government. Let me go and check. He rushed back, and US government welcomed him and dusted him from the pit hole where he is coming from, and gave him documents and backed him up. He's now, restored back to the country where he resides, and he's now with USB government ID card, and document is actually for him. All of us here, we have not benefited something like that from the government, have we? No. But somebody who is against USB government all this while has benefited more than people who have been supporting it. That is life for you. So you may be calling card report name, but you don't know that what I'm saying now, you may be number one, you may be the beneficiary before card report. You may be the one that will receive the benefit of the US government that you have been criticizing. So people that have been supporting it is the one have not been opportuned to gain something from the government. Not that the government is against them, but the circumstances or situation calls for that you that are facing issue, you are not benefiting more than people that have been supporting morally, financially. You just, out of nowhere, you are not gaining something from US government. There are some DOS members sneaking in to get the ID card. They will still go back and begin to tell you, you know what I mean? So, sometimes your conscience and your mindset should be the one to speak for you sometimes. Allow the Spirit of God to lead you. Do not make yourself a willing tool. When you hear from me this word, jihadist enablers, do not expect people. I'm not talking about people that will give Fulani land. In your own little position, you can be an enabler. If you are shouting, you can get right on my boss, right on one of Africa, you are an enabler. If you are the one saying that Soludo is governors are the right, you can't get freedom without them, you are an enabler. If you are one of those, or you are clapping for those that are demanding for anybody to be arrested and detained because the person is fighting for freedom, you are actually jihadist enabler. If you are discouraging people from contributing money to assist people that are in prison, or people that have been tortured to the extent that they need major surgery for them to walk again, you are enabler. You are jihadist enabler. You need to advise yourself. Because the best advice in this life is the advice that you give to yourself. You cannot just fold hand and begin to call for people's head just for calling's sake and take that at the level. No. No. It is time for us to open our eyes and know that thing that is good and go do that. Life no get spare. Anything that we do or contribute that will take people's life, avoid it. Because no matter how it may sound to you, learn how to endure some insult from your brothers and sisters and for their head. Because the moment you begin to call for their head, yes, now. Sometimes the best solution is not to buy. Those of you that are so eager, oh, the camera is coming for you, something is on the pipeline for her. Who knows? That thing that you are loading in the pipe, that thing that you are loading for her may land on you first. And the children of God will say amen. Because you guys, some of our people are very, very funny. You know why I'm saying this? Let me bring the comment again. Because this is one of the problems that I have with some of our people. Some of them will even come to my comments and begin to write a very long episode in the name of we want to teach Kai report. We want to educate Kai report. It's good to educate me. I'm always open to learn. Always open to learn. I'm not here. You think I'm broadcasting because I am an expert? No, I am actually here to learn. I said as well as I agree the declaration of USB. What are Nigerian soldiers still doing in a Biafra land till date? This comment, you may think that you are making sense, but people will see it as mockery. Not that they see it as mockery because they don't know what they're doing, but they understand that you don't believe in declaration and you don't trust USB government. Now, why don't you use the opportunity and the energy that you spend typing this thing to encourage people to run around the USB government? Because now, have you made any post giving some very important, educative comment on why people should run around to USB government and support it to achieve that which you actually requested? What some of you are doing is just like you made somebody to sober up with alcohol. Somebody you help the person you bought alcohol, they are alcoholic, for someone to sober up, and the person after drinking and starts staggering around, the person is drunk. You begin to challenge that person to put thread in the needle. You begin to challenge the person. Okay, can you put this thread in the needle? If you say that you're expert, that you know how you're a very good tailor. Okay, can you just help me put this needle, put this thread, this thread now, put it in the needle. Can you fix it? But you are the one that encouraging him. You bought drink for the person to sober up. Now you are not challenging the person to put thread in the needle. You'll be one telling people not to support USB government. You'll be the one to tell them that USB government is USB charger. Then you turn around and say, what are they doing? Don't you see that you are not helping matter? You are not genuine. Anyway, please, Ocean Master, are you back? Ocean Master, are you back?
Yeah. What's going do?
Yeah, just let you have the mic before we wind down. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for this wonderful program.
Thank you so much.
My brother. You see, like you said, it's a continuation of the program of yesterday.
Yeah.
It's quite very, very painful when you look at people, especially young men, that's supposed to know the value of young men of their type as well. The very vibrant guy. But, just like what I said yesterday, go on and say that if he knew that The Biafrans on leave will love money. He would have not gone into war with Ojukwu. He would have just decided to pay his people to do the bidding. That is what is going on. You see, what you played about the video you played last, the lady called Ikenga, the lady called Chibuzo Egbuato, one called him out on his ways, his life. Okay. No, I don't know quick. I'm making them busy. You just nah. Busy. Better go. There is stories that comes up, so it's always good to address him remind him where he come from, so that can attest. So now that is the message. Because if this boy at his age will on camera and lying like this, look at the life this boy is living. He went to Mozambique. He could not have peace to himself in Mozambique. He went to South Africa. He could not have peace with himself in South Africa. In a couple of years, now he's I don't know if they said is where is that? One of the African country close to those Mozambique Aziz. He ran to. Then you ask yourself, this boy at his age, that his age mate are hustling. Those that he met in Mozambique, they are there making money. Those he met in South Africa, they are there making money. But what is pursuing him? This is Alo and Aluana. That is the same thing. And you had the history in those days when there was program, some people calling saying that now this guy now one new can want to.
Yeah.
Now, judging by the attitude that this guy is playing today, are you not seeing something that those allegations or alleged in those days are very close to fact, if not that they are fact? Because it is really somebody who is shameless that will come out on public lying, even when you know that life is at stake. Life, not only this guy, a lot of people they wish to go. Watch I hear this guy about them. Maybe because it is alleged that now on our wedding Monday, and me here of yesterday. But that is by the way. Now look at the video. Before the video, I have watched this video, the video of the family, the mother of that the guy that was killed, then the wife, and I think the uncle, talking good about the boy. Now you look at Mbapu. If you know Mazikai, Biafrans know the Aziz of Mbapu. Mbapu it's not a obodo why like that in case maybe hold more not that never name is mad. But when you look at the sequences, when you look at the surrounding, you will see the story that they tell. Mazikai, let's use common sense. Just like you have narrated, the guy they went after the guy, they saw the guy, all of a sudden the guy pulled knife and go after somebody who comes against him. And right? A lot of alcohol. So now when they claim that not the boy, these have been their way to justify their actions, to justify the evil they commit, to make it like as if that guy on your jaw. Then only for the first time in Africa, he was able to identify and carbon cause. But he did not show us when he was searching and found those things and where you get those things. That is if for jaw. The device in either they know. ana mala amal no eden no nwa nwa de ikpe onye maara ife adịghị ka na nwa mkpe ikpe because ọ gị ekpe onu nke nwụrụ anwụ. You understand what it means. Now, there's one thing that lady said, and I will say Kofosoli Biele, and I will ask every Igbo man, every Anambarian, every Biafran to say amen to that prayer that lady said. And I will ask my own voice to call that mom that woman called upon. And I will extend it to call more, to call Ezra Benebe, to call more Oba Ofemiri, to call Ezewani Ukuru, to call Minogo, to call everything, including Moka, and everything Oka Jidi Ebube, Anambra Jidi Ebube, Binie, connect it to Ajan and Newi, money and Newi, where Boagua. Ọ bụrụ na ife Chibuzo egwu atọ claim ya bụ ike nke uru agụ, ọ bụrụ na ife okwu wee eziokwu nya gagharị ya, mana ọ bụrụ na ihe okwu abụrụ eziokwu wee bodo nwatakịrị egburu egbu ebubo because nọ ndị otu ya, because nọ oke fara agba udene were eri udene wee kwuwe ya wee bodo ya ebubo mụọ abịnie nye nkwana ife ga-eme ka emechie ya nọ na ama nchụta ya na aja, ama ngwọta ya n'ọgwụ, ama mbukwapụ ya n'ụdị ma ụdị ọbụla. Ya baa na ezinụlọ ndị be egwu atọ, ya baa na ike na be ike nke uru agụ, ya baa n'ife ọbụla gbasaba wele azịza chịlụ mma chiri ibe niile mmụọ ji alụ ọlụ wee baa etu a that boy si wee fasi wee mekwa that boy fasi kwa etu a zachaba be ezinụlọ ndị be egwu atọ from ike nke uru agụ na ife ọbụla na-agba eri aja n'ukwu maka na ife jọgburu onwe ya. A young man who just got married na lube akwasị na ewu dị na-eyi ka ọ fọlụ na-agba mbọ ka ọ dị, and look at the testimony ndị mmadụ na-enye na the boy abụrụ ajọ mmadụ na ezigbo mmadụ. Then you have the temerity to lie instead of mourning the guy. Ọ ife jọgburu onwe ka ọ bụ. To let everything that will speak for the death speak for that guy. And go after Ikenga, Uruago, Chibuzo Egwu with Indochie. Having said that, from the message you played here, Mazaka, is they say that Unyisipa Kedifa Bodia nke Okejako ya la Kedifa Bodia, the man Unyisia a jiguja for the family. He will not end there. Do not allow, even you don't need to give that man chance to come to you, because this is too many. That particular man, his hand is soaked on blood. His old story has surfaced that he was used during Mbadnoju, so he used blood. Taking the young Igbo at his age, and the way anywhere he's going, he wear white as if he's clean. If the law, if it is to bring everybody and eye everybody the way they are, does it mean that he have never offended anybody since his life? And they have children. The way I look at the man is a matured man that have children. How will you look at the boys that works under you? They are taking life in Anambra State like this, and you are happy because Soludo have 8 years to govern Anambra State or to rule Anambra State the way it's ruling it today, forgetting that tomorrow Soludo will not be there. Forgetting that even if Soludo remains there permanently, there is always law of karma. There is always this thing that happens when you take blood, an innocent blood, unjustly, because of too much. Some people believe that call one hour, this and that. So, dear friends, the moms, the women from Mbaku, do not relent on your request for justice. Not just like what the person that speaks on behalf of their family said, that they are seeking for compensation, or somebody said something about compensation. No, you don't kill somebody, just go and pay. What is money? What is money to compare? If that is the case, let the person that killed the person die, and let the dead or the family of the brave give their own family money. Let them be happy. Let them be happy. Let there be justice. Let there be justice. Let there be justice. Those who kill by sword shall go by sword, shall be killed by sword. Very painful. It is not only for Ndembaku. You see, in Anambra State and then in the Igbo land entirely, all these PGs should stand up, because it's just like Mazika said, Ebugonya today, Obasaroge, because of Metaroge. Ọ na-ala okwu ndị Igbo na-ebulu ozu nwa onye ọzọ na-aga, ọ dịka Igbo ukwu nkụ. But mgbe o metụta gị, ị mara ka ọ na-adị. And don't allow it to imetụta gị. Just like ndị ọcha unu na-believe na ha dị superior than you guys. Some of us do believe. Onye ọcha may see you, may found out that this thing is injustice, and they will not just walk past. Or come from America or from wherever, he will stand his ground to say, no, this is injustice. I witnessed this. I saw this. This is not true. And this is what we're supposed to do in our place. To stand up without any fear against this evil going on. We need to stand up and speak the truth. We need to lose the fear of unknown to stop this menace, these killings that is going on against Ndibo. And again, these saboteurs, one of them, the picture is here. This is what we've got to do. Boldly, they come out bold to tell Ndibo that they can sabotage and go free. It is because some people have done that, and it seems nothing is happening. Just like what Yambaba did in Anambra State, bringing Udele to his channel to give him an accolade. Yambaba, look at it. Today is somebody, a guy from Bako. Yambaba, tomorrow it could be you. It could be the person that links to you, because you are supporting them, giving them the room to speak on your channel. Ndibo. Igbo as a whole, it is time to stand up. If not, they are taking the by one, just like Gowan said, give them money and they will do it themselves. That they could not achieve with Fulanis, that is what they are using our people to do against us. Let us, Molanya, let us now lose that fear, lose the grip of that fear. Let us now stand on our way, on our toes to confront these people. They are just few in number. They are just few in number. Thank you, Mazikai. May God bless you. May God bless us.
May God bless you too. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, I was blessed. So this video of Ikenga is same as video of Abalanze Oyeka Okeke did that they tell us that he is a Abalanze Oyeka. Is it the Abalanze that we know? Abalanze Oyeka Okeke. Please, I don't know the person. I know one Abalanze, one guy like that. They call the guy Abalanze. Maybe I don't know his surname. He said he did that same day So he did some same day telling us. I think what you say. What do you actually mean by this? Let me try to figure out what you mean by that. Video he did that same day telling us that he is a. You mean he did a video telling you who that you can go ahead. That's not my business, to be honest. I don't care about what he's doing, but let him just say the truth. If you want to talk, if you must talk, please say the truth. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time. We're going to wind down and God bless all of you. And please make sure you like the video before you go. See you again. God bless you. Bye bye for now. Osho Master, thank you so much.
Ndewo Maazị Kai, na mara gị mma nwanne m, mana ndị nke
Thank you so much.